Braden here from Mad Dog Airsoft, and I'm doing a review on the Walther SG9000 triple burst shotgun by Umarex. Very nice shotgun. Got it for Christmas. Has triple burst function right there, as you can see. Semi-auto, safe. 30 shot capacity. CO2 powered, which takes 88 gram CO2 cartridge as opposed to the 12 gram. Comparison. Has triple rails up in front, which are very nice. Not your laser, your flashlight, grip, anything you want really. Has a full metal top rail. Back to these real quick. The rails on the sides are metal, the bottom is plastic, which is fine by me. The receiver seems to be built on a P99 frame, Walther P99 frame, which is very comfortable. Again, 30 round capacity. Comes with a really cool flash hider. Also only has one barrel, as you can see. Try not to hit anyone in the eye with this. Probably take it out with it. Very nice shotgun. Has a nice Walther trademark there. Name of the gun. Of course, caliber 6mm BB. Of course, you can't see that probably. The whole warning thingy. Unique serial number, which is nice. It's really just a very simple gun. Good shotgun for beginner, maybe intermediate. I'm kind of in between, so. This is Mad Dog Airsoft. We're Oscar Mike.